well, ham fam, welcome back to our channel. I'm Debbie.
I'm Darren.
And we've got another diamond painting.
Woo.
Right, so this is actually, I want to do a few of them for this tree that my mother-in-law has kindly bought for me. I need to put some more lights on it because it like came with 4 lights or something.
It's got a wrap bit of LED ones around it, and I think you can see it come back 2 or 3 of them. Yeah.
Yeah, it really wasn't a lot. Right. So
these also weren't what they were supposed to be. These are supposed to be acrylic, and they look they're on plastic. They're on thin plastic.
Yeah. They are one-sided, which is all you need. But to be fair, the other side is so cute. So you can then decide on whether you want this side showing or this side. Whoops. So whatever looks better will be the side that I tend to go for. So as you can see, there are 12.
Yeah.
I've got some thread.
That looks vulgar. That looks so
yeah, do the job.
Yeah, so it's a grotty colour gold, you know what I mean?
It's Christmas, but you know, it's gaudy, that's sort
That's
of
right,
is it? You know. You get a few bags in there.
Yep.
And your diamond painting pen, your tray, and your
wax.
Wax on, wax off.
Yeah.
Alright, so that's numbers 7 and 8, which are very parkly.
Yep.
Yeah, so we've got some parkly black, or possibly coal coloured.
Very nice.
Parkly blue. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So yeah, there are 8.
Yeah.
You've got like the clear one, the light green, and so on. You'll see the colours once they're out. Oh
look, you can see the other side.
Guys, seriously. So these are 1 and 2.
Yeah.
So these are different reds, apparently.
Yeah.
Can't see it myself, but there you go.
There you go.
There you go. And those 2.
Yep.
There you go. Right. So.
Yeah.
Let's get painting. Right, so as you can see, we've been joined by a helper.
Yeah, little helper. One of Santa's little helpers. Or was that Satan? One of the two.
I have no clue what you just said to me then. Okay. Right, so let's have a look at these gonkles. Stop eating my paws. Right. So, our starter.
Yeah.
And no, I'm not naming them all.
No.
And that's the other side.
Yeah.
And that's that side. Ta-da! You are very unhelpful.
Yeah.
So that's that side. And that's that one. So cute.
Albert, Bertie,
What?
Charlie.
They're so cute. Oh dear.
Desmond.
She's got the ump with me, guys, because I was wearing these. Okay. And yeah. Mummy doesn't have paws like that. Mummy has paws that I like to lick. Right. So there she is. Right.
Edmund. Frank.
You silly article. Yeah.
Gerald.
Actually, that's quite a good name. Yeah. Woo!
Horatio.
God, don't encourage him, honestly.
Ian. Jacob.
You do realise I'm not going to be calling these all by their name. It's bad enough remembering.
Kevin. And William. They got you all, didn't they?
I mean, I've got Jingle and Bells out now.
Yeah. Little Women.
My Little Women are. We'll show you a proper.
Yeah.
A proper do. I did my altar today, and I am beyond happy with it. I've decorated my tree, but my lights are on a timer that don't actually. I think they're on the hamsters' timers because they just don't work for me. She's now up my sleeve, falling asleep.
Well, I said to be on for 4 hours and off for 20, which is a really sort of strange timer.
You keep having to turn them on, don't you?
Yeah.
But it is a gorgeous tree, and I found some baubles that fit it quite well because normally I usually have a real tree, but it's usually a little smaller than that. But it's the only one my mother-in-law could pick up, and I am so pleased she did because I'm totally and utterly in love with it and the pot. And it means I can have Christmas flowers on my altar still because I've still got my Christmas log and bits on there. But the usual bits I have for that are smaller, obviously. I think you've seen them. They're like little tarot card charms and little... Like
they've got herbs in. They've got little flowers in
baubles. Yeah, that's
and
it.
Stuff, yeah.
So so we are getting there. I've got a rough idea what I want to do with these, but I haven't done it yet because obviously I've been waiting to show you guys the end result. They are very thin and they do sort of turn up a little bit, but to be honest, they are really cute. They really are sparkly. So with a few Christmas lights around them, they'll be chef's kiss.
Yeah.
But yeah, really happy with that. Yeah. So Tell us what you guys thought and who was your favourite. And I'll be really impressed if you give me the name of your favourite. Or you can just say row 1, 2 or 3 and go from 1 to 4 from that way to this. So, you know, so basically I'm just nosy, guys. I want to know. You know. But no, I think they are really cute and they were really fun to do, to be honest. And it kept me quiet.
Yeah.
But yeah. Right, guys. So, all that leaves me to say to you is be different. A very merry hoo-hoo. Yay, it's Christmas. I'm so sorry I'm not wearing a Christmas top, but I just couldn't be moving. And as our tree is as usual Harry Potter Weasley-ish, you know, it sort of goes. And yeah, all that leaves me to do is give you a boop with my favourite one. It's got to be a blue and silver. I really love all of them, but there's just something about this that just speaks to me. I think it's the fact he's holding a hot chocolate and he's blue with white snowflakes on.
Yeah.
So,
Kevin.
Boop!